Who's the most entitled person you've ever met? I was discharged from special forces after a mortar shell injured my leg, and back at home, I reconnected with my high school sweetheart. I was at her place one night when I woke up to someone climbing the stairs. I got up and pulled out my shotgun, and in response, the guy at the stairs screamed my girlfriend's name. Turns out he was her best friend, a junkie who worked with her years ago, and she once gave him a cheeseburger to help his come down. He began pleading with her, saying he was evicted and needed a place to stay. This was her house, so I had no say, and she agreed to house him. He said it would be a few weeks, but it turned out to be 6 months. He was extremely disrespectful towards her. He demanded she cook for him, do his laundry, and buy him groceries. She never said no to him either, despite wanting to. Well, one fateful night, he demanded I wash his dishes for him. I told him to fuck off, and turned around to walk downstairs to the basement. I was a few steps down when the door behind me flew open. He ran at me and pushed me down. I landed on my back and hit my head on the concrete. He then jumped on top of me, and I fought back. I grit through and got on top of him, then proceeded to start wailing blows on him. I honestly didn't care if I unalived him. Someone had to die, and it wouldn't be me. The rest of the story is on my channel and linked below.